Hello and welcome in the last video of our project series. I want you to understand what we are planning to do next. Just let me walk you through this whole process. Basically, we are somewhere here, right? We are here and our tagline that we have put is learn anywhere, build here. And there is something for everyone. Like for front-end engineer, if you are HTML and CSS, you can build things. You can build things with JavaScript as well. But the problem is we have only built our first version and today is 20 December 2023 and by far we have completed this project as of now. Okay. Right now it is into Notion. It will go into proper website soon in couple of months. Then we have couple of projects for you all. You can pick this project PharmaSift 2 where you can also integrate JavaScript into it, right? Third will be into React. So you can build things into React as well. Now, if you are somebody who is starting your journey from HTML and CSS, obviously you will not have to code everything into HTML and CSS for JavaScript project because whatever we have done so far in this one will simply copy and simply put into React.js into the same project. If you want to do things into backend side, right, you can pick that backend and you can also work on that. There is no problem at all, right? If you want to build full stack project, you can also do that. Okay, we'll guide you on that. These are a couple of things. There is one more thing I want to talk about, that is open source project that we are building right now. Let me walk you through open source project that we are planning to build. Just take a look at this. Currently we have only built one project, that is the boring project. Okay, it is a website that if you want to contribute to it, that would be great, because I understand that if you want to build things into open source, this is your time. You can build things here. Whatever you have understood, Tailwind, Figma, all of this, you can implement it here as well. So you will be getting the task here, right? All of the tasks will be getting it here, and then you will reach out to us. I will decide what is the medium to reach out. It could be Telegram or WhatsApp. I mean, that's how you can contribute to it. Basically, you can learn it here, you can build it here, you can contribute it here as well. That is the whole plan. Thank you so much. I'm so humbled that you came this far, build the project, finished all the assignments. I'm so humbled by this. It was just normal idea in my brain that I want to build this for everyone, because you don't have to go to YouTube to find a YouTube tutorial and build it, copy paste code and then think that you know something, right? It should not be this way. You have shown a lot of courage to build this project. I'm so thankful for all of you to be here. Let's hope we build a lot of things together into this, and let's make this boring project big success. Thank you so much, everyone. See you guys. Bye.